Volunteer Center, South Bay Harbor, Long Beach. We've actually been a nonprofit since the 60s, and this program that we're doing here today, Operation Teddy Bear, it's the 25th anniversary year this year, so it's a very special year. And we are just so incredibly lucky that the Port of Los Angeles has been involved with that for probably more than a decade. They've been donating coloring books about the port, which teaches the children that we give the school bags to about port relations. And the community impact grant that they gave, this year we're going to be giving more than 4,000 school bags to low-income first graders in all of those areas that I mentioned that we serve.
My first thought was, wow, what an opportunity to get with kids and read for them a short story, get them to engage about what it means to volunteer, to give back, and really get their expressions on where they are at their young age.
It's incredible to see the kids, and it's kind of a neat program because the Port of Los Angeles grant actually supports our organization, but we partner with an organization called Green Vets, and that actually puts veterans back to work who are returning from war and they're struggling to get back into civilian life, and those are the ones, those veterans sew the backpacks. So it's an incredible way of helping multiple nonprofits working together as partners, and that's all about our mission, is how can kids be kind, how can they learn about those warm fuzzy feelings and learn what it's like to be a volunteer. And with the Port's investment, they're saying, you know, we know these kids don't always have equitable school supplies, and so these school supplies are helping get them started at a very early age to think about education and growth, and then hopefully they might even be Port careers someday. So we couldn't do it without them, and we're just so thrilled when you see the kids' faces light up and just how excited they are. It's just the most heartwarming thing. So we're so grateful for their support.
I'm born and raised here in San Pedro. I went to elementary, middle school, and high school here, so I don't remember having such an event when I was going to school growing up, but now being able to come back and be part of this and representing the Port of Los Angeles is an honor for me as a local kid from San Pedro in the harbor area.
Since 2013, the Port of Los Angeles has invested $1 million a year in more than 60 local organizations to support community projects focused on local workforce development, education, the environment, and promoting the LA waterfront. It's another way that we strive to make a difference and connect to our communities.